Sometimes, after you upload a PDF file and add interactivity to it, you might notice a few mistakes scattered across the document. Here's how you can replace the PDF file without losing the interactions that you've already added and the statistics that the Flipbook might have gathered. In the main dashboard, go to the three dots next to the Flipbook you want to have substituted and click on Replace. Keep in mind that this feature is only available for PDF upload created Flipbooks. You've now been redirected to the upload page. Here you have to click on the Replace button on the right side of the previously uploaded PDF. Choose between Upload from Device or Upload from Drive, depending on the location of your PDF file. Right above the options, you'll see a notification message which lets you know that the PDF you use as a replacement must have the same number of pages as the old one. Otherwise, you will be prompted with an error message. In the newly opened pop-up, select the PDF you want to use as a replacement and click Open. Wait for the changes to take place, and then you'll see the Replace tag on the progress bar, right after the file name. Now you know your new PDF has been uploaded. At this point, you can choose to keep the previously added interactions in your replaced document. This option is enabled by default, but you can deselect it to remove all elements. And that's how easy it is to replace a PDF in Flipsnack and keep all of the interactions that you've previously added.